This is Emma Hardie's Moringa Renewal Treatment Facial Mask. You're going to apply about this amount, a hazelnut size. You're going to sweep it across the skin, a really nice thin layer over the skin. And this product's great because you could actually use this two ways. So applying it as I am now, so you can use this as a party fix, quick 15-minute treatment that's gonna add instant radiance to your skin. Or you can use it as an overnight treatment for a really lovely intensive treatment for the skin. And what this is gonna do for the skin, this is gonna, like I said, instantly hydrate, add a beautiful radiance to the skin, but also it's gonna really help with uneven skin tone and pigmentation. And also remember to take it down to the neck as well. And then you could literally just pat it into the skin